OnePager, Ignite. Do you remember picturing what is happening in a text? Picturing is seeing what is described. Chunk into pieces. Goal, I can reflect on a story of my choice. First, choose a story from any genre. It might be a novel, rap, movie of a book, play, long poem, graphic novel, or any other story. It can be your Q4 choice book or any story you remember. Chew on it. Which parts of the story are most important? Which sentences in the story would reflect this importance? 2. Which scenes are most visually memorable? 3. What questions could work with your story? You could pick one of these questions. How does the character change? Who is important to the main character? What does the main character want? Review. Start a one-pager, which we will show off during the last week of classes for a showcase. On one page, write out 2 lines from your choice text. Draw a scene from the text. Show us what you picture when you read. And 3, write a question that works with the story. Bonus, student choice. Figure out something you want to add. Options include a new ending, characters making different choices, changing the setting mid-scene, gravity steps, importing a character from another story or genre. Bonus level, start or add to a Google Doc that you can use to record the books you read. Here's a sample reading log. More bonus thinking work. Start trying to figure out the theme. For Squeaky, her family is important to her, more important than winning a trophy. Let's convert this story about an individual person to a universal lesson, which means, which is the same as a theme. If we replace Squeaky with people should, we see that the author wants us to learn that people should value their family and how their family members feel more than winning a trophy. Sample one-pager. There's the picture of when Squeaky's standing up for Raymond. So they're saying some silliness. Hey guys, look at stupid Raymond. Hey Raymond, what grade are you in now? And Squeaky answers, anything you want to say to my brother, you can say to me. I'm just going to ignore everyone but Gretchen. And then this is the scene at the race. And then she's got a couple of questions here. And there are other quotes. Have fun with this.